Rock your vibes down. But just listen, an all-out war between two top artists is rare, especially since the 2000s. Sting isn't what it used to be in the early 90s, where there was a strong incentive to clash. Now the artists are focused on their money. If they do clash, it's because it's beneficial to them or there's a deep hatred between both parties. Example, Bounty and Beanie, Mavada and Vibes Cartel, Alkaline and Popcorn, and Alkaline and Squash. 4 high-profile beef in 22 years. So a big name war every 5.5 years. And for a genre where majority of dancehall artists are kill people in them song every day, that's not a lot.